In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zotero with Obsidian. By the end, you'll have Obsidian pulling references from your Zotero library so you can quickly insert citations into your notes with just a couple of clicks. We'll install the right community plugins, set up a fresh note to test things, and use the command palette to insert a citation. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening Obsidian. Once it's up, head to Settings. You'll usually find the settings gear icon in the lower left corner of the app. This is where you control how Obsidian behaves, and importantly for today, where you add community plugins. Community plugins extend what Obsidian can do, and they're a powerful way to connect your notes with other tools like Zotero. Inside Settings, look for Community Plugins. This section is separate from core plugins and is where you'll discover tools made by the community. Click into Community Plugins, then choose Browse. The Browse button opens Obsidian's plugin directory, where you can search and install plugins directly from within the app. Give it a second to load the catalog. In the search bar, type Citations and then type Zotero Integration. These are two different plugins that complement each other nicely. The Citations plugin focuses on searching your reference library and inserting formatted citations and literature notes. The Zotero Integration plugin helps Obsidian communicate with Zotero more directly. Together, they streamline the process of bringing your references into your notes without leaving Obsidian. Open each plugin's page and click Install. You'll see a quick download, and when that's done, click Enable so the plugin becomes active in your vault. Do this for both plugins. After enabling, you can always return to this area later to adjust any plugin-specific settings, but for now we're keeping things straightforward so you can start using citations right away. If you see any informational messages, just read them over. The defaults typically work for a basic setup. With the plugins installed and enabled, return to your vault and create a new note. Click New Note to add a blank page to your workspace. Give it a clear title so you can find it later, then enter a few lines of text where you'd like to insert a citation. This note is simply a test bed to confirm everything's working as expected. It's a good idea to add a sentence like "according to recent research" and leave the cursor where you want the citation to appear. Now open the command palette, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command+P. The command palette is Obsidian's quick launcher for features and plugin actions. In the search box that appears, type the word citation. You should see commands from the Citations plugin, such as an option to insert a citation. Select that, and a search dialog will let you look up items from your Zotero library by title, author, or keyword. Choose the reference you want, confirm the selection, and Obsidian will insert the citation right into your note at the cursor location. Take a moment to review what was inserted. Depending on the default settings and your theme, you'll see a formatted citation or a link that references the selected work. The key is that your note now contains a reference pulled from your Zotero library without leaving Obsidian. If you continue writing, you can repeat the same process to insert more citations whenever you need them. The command palette search makes this quick and keeps you in your flow. That's the workflow from start to finish. Open Obsidian, go to Settings, browse Community Plugins, search for Citations and Zotero Integration, install and enable them, create a new note, add your content, then use Ctrl+P to search for the citation command and insert your reference. With this setup, your reading and writing stay connected, and you spend less time switching between apps and more time focusing on your ideas.